안녕하세요. Hello guys, this is Kim 선생님 from Teacher Kim's Korean class. This is 7th lessons of my Korean alphabet curriculum. If you missed the previous ones, you might wanna my playlist that is called Korean alphabet and try to run from the basics step by step. We already learned many consonants and vowels. We finished the basic letters. We only left combined one. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about 5 combined consonants that is called tense consonant. Let's get started. First of all, you can download free writing material through the link in the description. I'm sure that it is helpful for your writing practice, right? I'm gonna talk about tense consonant. We called it tense consonant. It sounds like very tense, and some people called it double consonant because as you see, it has 2 same consonants in it. Tense consonant, double consonant, you can call it both way. We already learned these 5 soft consonants, and if I put one more same consonant next to each consonant, they become double or tense consonant. So if you remember how to write soft consonant, writing double consonant is very easy. And then I need to tell you why tense, soft, and aspirated consonants look very similar. That's because of the mouth shape when you pronounce them are exactly the same. Only difference between them is the amount of air when you burst out during pronunciation. As I told you, aspirated consonant to be pronounced with much more air than soft consonant. But for tense consonant, we have to burst out tiny air less than soft consonant. So you don't need to change your mouth shape, just concentrate how much air you burst out, okay? I'm gonna explain one by one. First one is this. You know this consonant K. So writing double is very simple. Just draw 2 of it. And it sounds like very tense. K. Listen carefully compared to soft and aspirated consonant. Tense consonant Ka. Soft Ka. Aspirated Ka. Ko. 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 Go. Go. Ko. Gu. Gu. Ku. Ge. Ke. Ke. Ge. Ke. Ke. Ki. 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 G. G. K. You should learn controlling the amount of air when pronouncing them. When we learn speaking aspirated consonants, I suggested you using a piece of napkin. We need this napkin again to practice speaking tense consonant. As I told you, if I say soft consonant, this napkin shaken a bit, ka. And if I say aspirated consonant, it moves quite a lot, ka. But if I say tense consonant, g, tense consonant doesn't make it shaken. Almost not. Because the air from your mouth is not enough to make it shaken. Very tiny air. Ga. Okay, I invite you to read tense consonant with basic vowels. Ga. Go. Go. Gu. Ge. Ge. Gi. Gu. Did you get it? This napkin is very important if you're a beginner. Okay, try to write your own handwriting on the writing material. Good. Let's move on to the next consonant. Second tense consonant is this. You remember soft consonant T. So you can just write down 2 soft consonants side by side. And it sounds like more tense, like D, D, D. Look at my mouth. Soft, aspirated, and tense consonant, all the mouth shapes are the same. I will speak them with basic vowels. Try to listen carefully. Ta, ta, ta. Mouth shape are the same. To, to, to. Same. To, to, to. Tu, tu, tu. Te, te. Te, 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 te. Ti, ti, ti. Tu, tu, tu. So we grab a napkin and try to put it close to your mouth and just watch the napkin during pronunciation. It should not be shaken. Let's practice together. Ta, to, to, tu, te, te. D, D. Well done. Now you can do your own handwriting on the writing material before we move on to the next one. Good. Let's move on to the next consonant. Third one is this. This tense consonant is from soft consonant. It just looks like double. So when you see double, it means tense sound. So soft consonant is P. Tense consonant is B. B. Let's compare to listen tense, soft, and aspirated. Ba, pa, pa. Mouth shapes are the same. Bo, po, po. Bo, bo, po. Bu, pu, pu. Be, pe, pe. Be, pe, pe. Bi, pi, pi. B, p, p. All you have to do is controlling how much air bursting out. Let's pronounce tense consonant B with basic vowels. Grab your napkin close to your mouth. Ba, bo, bo, bu, be, be, bi, b. Before we move on to the next consonant, try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is the next one. It looks double soft consonants, right? And it sounds like more tense and strong. Listen to what I'm speaking. Sa, sa. First one is tense, second one is soft. And the meaning of them are totally different. In the same way, so, 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 su, su, se, 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 si, si, s, s. It is quite confusing, so you have to practice. This napkin will help you. If I say tense consonant, it is hardly shaken. Let's practice to speak tense consonant with basic vowels. Sa, so, so, su, se, se, si, s. If you're a beginner, it is very important practice, because once your pronunciation is fixed, it's very hard to change it. That's why this curriculum is focusing on pronunciation. Okay, try to write your own handwriting on the writing material, and we will move the last consonant in Hangul. So last consonant is this. It has two soft consonant J sound, and it sounds like more tense, like Z, Z. And if I put vowel R, that sounds like za, za. Compare to listen tense, soft, and aspirated consonant. Za, cha, cha, zo, cho, cho, zo, cho, cho, ju, ju, chu, je, che, che, je, che, che, ji, ji, chi, zhi, zhi, chi. So now we're gonna practice tense consonant with basic vowel. Grab your napkin and try to put it close to your mouth. Are you ready? za, zo, zhu, zhu, je, je, ji, zhi. Now try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Good. We learned 5 tense consonants. They are all tense consonants in Hangul. And congratulations, now you learned all the consonants in Hangul. There is no more consonant. We only left some combined vowels. That's what we are learning in the next video. It's almost there. You guys are doing very well. I'm so proud of you guys. If this video is helpful for your Korean study, please hit the like and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video very soon. Have a nice day. 감사합니다.